Hey you guys, it's Peter and Alex, and welcome to my channel, Peter Boom 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 Review Stuff. And I am here for, yes, another review, and my husband is helping me today. And we are going to review, with the help of two special guests, the Dapper Dog Box. So we have one guest that just came up here right now, Tucker. Boo Radley! Where's Boo Radley? Booby! Booby, you want some treats? Oh, here he comes. Okay, Boo Radley, come here. He said, I am ready to participate in this video. So we have all the dogs up here. Oh my Lord, look at it. So first we need to get our thumbnail. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Come on, Tucker. Come over here. Tucker, come over here. Come on, you want treats? Come on. Come up in here. Here you go. Here we go. One. Up here. Come here. Okay, so that is our thumbnail. Look at it, Tucker. It's your favorite time of the month. It's the Dapper Dog Box. So every month I review on here with the two dogs, and since Alex is at home, I thought, well, he can participate in this too. We review the Dapper Dog Box and the Bark Box every single month. So I have no idea what is in here. I have not opened it yet. I just went in and slid the tape off here. So we're gonna open this right now. Are you so excited?
I'm thrilled.
They really do like their treats though. Like I put the treats up there.
Oh yeah, I feed them to them all the time.
Yeah, they love their little treats that they get in here. So it says, all you need is love and a dog and the Dapper Dog Box. You can see Boo Radley is so excited. Okay, so let's go in here. And this is what it looks like. Here's what this month looks like. This is the April, this is the April Dapper Dog Box. So you can see all the stuff that's in there. Okay, when you open it, it says, create memories every month. You can take pictures and whatever. So this month is, oh my Lord, for some bunny special, it says. And the whole thing is all got bunny things for Easter. For some bunny special, your pup won't have to hunt for their Easter basket this year. Oh my Lord, good thing we didn't get you one. We're delivering it right to the door. We hope a peep at this box puts a spring in your step. Perfectly pastel bandana, because every month the Dapper Dog Box has like a special bandana that they create, and they're really nice bandanas too. They have like ties on them and stuff. Perfectly pastel bandana by the Dapper Dog Box, and show us your honey bunny. Hashtag the Dapper Dog Box, and shop the box. So you're always loving to tag stuff and take pictures, so you should do that.
That's why I get featured.
We do the treats last because see, they go crazy over the treats. Okay, let's first do the bandana. Okay, hold on a second, Tucker. First you gotta do your bandana. Here's what the bandana looks like this month. They love bandanas. Who's gonna wear it? Boo Radley said Tucker can wear it. I don't wanna wear it. Clean up as you go. Anyway, okay. Oh, this is a really cute one. It has, so on one side, it is pink, and it has Easter eggs on it. And on the other side, it has little polka dots on it. You want to put it on here, Tucker?
He wants the polka dots.
He wants the polka dots? Okay. Here, you do that. Okay. You got it?
How beautiful.
You look so pretty.
Wait. He's very quarantined.
No, he doesn't want to wear it like that. Come on, guys, for treats. Okay. Okay. Oh, we could use it for that, though.
No, we couldn't.
Okay, well, let's need to put it on the dog, see if they like it. Okay. Come here, Tucker. Okay. Hold on. I asked Alex, I said, are you ready to do the video? And he came downstairs carrying Tucker over his shoulder. He liked it. Okay, so let's get right into the next thing. The first plush toy. Now, Tucker has been the only one that is playing with the plush toys. And I have to tell you, like, one of his favorite toys right now. Hello, Boo Radley. Hey, kitty girl. One of his favorite plush toys right now is the Grinch. And he got the, isn't it? He plays with it every single night. Okay, listen. So, he's so funny. Somebody that watches my vlog every night, her name is Jenny. Jenny crocheted us after Pee-Pee died. See a little Pee-Pee up here on the hat. She sent us these 2 crocheted comfort blankets, and Tucker sleeps on it every single night. And it was the sweetest thing. We have it on the upstairs on the bed. Anyway, he's got his little toys over there. And you play with your Grinch every night that you got in one of these boxes, didn't you? He said, yeah, I loved it. By the way, that Australian one is 2 toys in one, and I didn't realize it. Okay. So, this is, oh, look at this. Plush dog toy.
It's a dragonfly.
Oh, it is a dragonfly.
Because they mate for life.
Oh, my Lord, look at that. Oh, Boo Radley, what do you think? He said, I don't understand toys very much, but He said, I think that Tucker will probably enjoy it. What do you think about that, Tucker? Do you like it? Woo! It's sitting right over there with the heart one from last month. Okay. Now let's get in here and see. Oh, okay, I see a treat that's gonna be problems in here. Okay. Let's get in here and try. Oh, look at these. These are adorable. Look at that. Okay, so this is plush dog toys, stuffed, safe, and fun.
And fun.
And fun. We like fun. Look at the little lammykins. You got a new lamb. Tucker's like, I just care about the treats. We know that, Dad. We come here every single month, and all we want is the treats. Hold on a second.
I like him.
The little chick. What would you name him?
It reminds me of my body. I'm just a pear shape.
This reminds me of my body, skinny legend. What would you... Oh! Listen, you're the one that brought those macarons. I don't know if they're called macaroons or macarons, but apparently I misspelled it in the title and I had to go in there. So many people were like, you misspelled it.
I know, I'm like, what's the big deal? It's called an accent. I'm not from here.
But I didn't know. I truly didn't know. And everybody, and I was like, oh, I got educated in my comment sections because it said macaroons are like those coconut things. And I thought, yeah, well, okay. There's coconut flavored ones.
I failed that class.
I failed that class. So anyway, okay, these are so cute. Which one do you like the best?
I like my body right here.
Look, he don't like any of them. He said, I just want the treats. Okay, let's get into the treats. So the first treat that we have in here is, a quiche Lorraine. That was like one of my mom's favorites. What are we doing over there? Okay. That was one of my mom's favorite things when she was alive. She's not anymore, so apparently it's not one of her favorite things anymore. Anyway, it doesn't matter, but she used to always make quiche Lorraine on for Easter and things like that. What do you think? Pumpkin, cheddar, and bacon quiche Lorraine. And they're shaped in the shape of hearts. And this is by Le Petite Treat. Do you know what that means? Can you translate that?
Well, it's French.
Yeah, it means what?
Small.
A little treat.
Do you ever try them? Do you ever try the treats yourself?
No, but I have wanted to before. Do you want to try it? Should we do that?
I will not, but I could watch you.
Is it healthy for a human to eat dog treats? Here you go. Boo Radley's not sure of it. This is every month. Boo Radley's never sure he wants it. Tucker really likes it. Oh, well, I can't because it has bacon in it. Or I would, totally, I swear. I totally would. Is Boo Radley eating any of it? Oh, you broke it up for him.
Yeah.
He's just pushing it with his nose.
He's studying it.
He is done. He doesn't like it. Okay. So then the next thing we have, cracks. The next thing we have is this natural dog bone, peanut butter flavor by Exclusively Dog, made with all natural ingredients, wheat, corn, and soy free. You're so sweet. And I can tell you that none of them are going to like this. Tucker might.
So this one's vegetarian?
I did not say I was going to try it. Okay, hold on. If I try it, you have to try it.
I'm not trying it.
Not even just like the littlest bit in the entire world.
No, babe.
It broke. Okay. I gave my heart to you. Eat it now. I made these cookies. They're so good.
Thank you.
Come on, Tucker. Come over. We'll have treats. Okay. So, let's try. Smell it.
No.
Just smell it.
It smells like granola, actually.
It does kind of smell like granola. Okay, these are... Let's see if we break these apart in here. Okay. So that they can eat them. Tucker, we're having treats. That's all you have to say to Tucker. Okay. Boo Radley, here's your treat. Oh, he doesn't like any of these treats. Tucker, treat. Can I give that to Tucker and see what he thinks? Tucker, what's that? Mikey likes it. He'll eat anything. Boo Radley's like, where are my treats? There, Boo Radley, you can have that treat right there. He said,
oh, there you go.
Oh, he ate it. Okay, you guys, I have to tell you though, like if I truly saw this sitting on the floor, what would you think it was? It looks like a dog turd. It straight up looks... Here, Tucker, you can have another one. You like those?
He really liked it.
Yeah, he really does. Boo Radley's still back here playing with those. I have to say, I'm not super impressed with this month. Like, the toys are cute. Tucker will play with them. Tucker will play with them later. But the toys aren't like... The toys are okay, but the treat's kind of like... Tucker is like, okay, you're going to have one more treat and that's it.
Here, give him this. This is already open.
Okay, well, but we don't... Maybe not that big, do you think?
Yeah.
Because you can't break it in half. Here you go, Tucker. Here you go, sweetie. Okay. They usually have much better treats. The treats are a little bit more delicious than these for the dogs. So, poor Boo Radley's like, I haven't had any treats. Why did you bring me up here for this video? I don't like toys and I don't like treats. Okay.
He's eating it.
Is he though?
Yeah. She's like small bites.
Yeah. Oh, he did eat it. Oh, okay, so they like this big bone. I mean, family friendly. Anyway, do you guys get the Dapper Dog Box? What would you give this out of 5? I would give it this month.
I think it's cute. I think it's fun.
I'd give it a 4. The treats could be better. What do you think?
I don't. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what it tastes like.
I like when it has more of a theme to it, like than just a card and let's put some toys in there and all that kind of stuff. I like when the theme is more like overall. Like I would have liked if these were like Easter eggs or something like that.
Okay.
So anyway, and if the treats were a little bit softer for their teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would like that too.
This is maybe driven to more like younger pups.
Yeah, I would say that too.
Do you get to pick their age when you're like so?
Yeah, you like put all that information in, I think. So, all right.
So, yeah.
I think I will link their stuff below if you guys want to go check out the Dapper Dog Box. Boo and Tucker, come here. Come in and say goodbye. Tucker said, "I'm still working on treats back here, Dad." Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Say bye. Bye.